Here's the all-new CF Moto 800 NK. Liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, 799cc, 94 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, and 81 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM. Equipped with slipper clutch, with a seat height of 795mm and weight of 189 kilograms. This motorcycle has 3 different ride modes: Ring, Street, and Sport. 320mm dual disc up front with 2 pistons each, and 260mm single disc at the rear. Equipped with dual channel ABS, it has 17 inches wheels with Maxxis tires and Keeway shock absorbers. And lastly, its introductory price is 488,800 pesos.